Hello and welcome to another help video from Flawless POS. In this video, we will go over the process of locating online orders and processing them. First, you will need to access the Online Orders module. To do that, please take the following steps. Open the left navigation menu. Click on the website and then press the Orders button. You will see the list of online orders. Note that the status column allows you to quickly recognize which orders aren't yet processed. To start processing the order, click the Process Order button on the right. In the Open Process Online Sales section, we can choose how we want to fulfill the online order. The special order means that we will need to allocate this item to a created sales order afterwards. The In-Stock option means that we can allocate the items from our stock. Note that as in this demo, if the item isn't in stock, this option isn't visible. The last option allows us to tell the customer that we are unable to fulfill the item. Once you're happy with your selection, press Next. The next section allows you to preview what kind of message the customer will receive once you process the online order. You can edit the contents of the email if you'd like. Once you're happy with your edits, click Complete and Create Sales Order. This will change the status of this online order to processed. The processing has also created a sales order that you can process in the Supply Chain module. Feel free to check out our guide on that topic. The link is in the description. That's it for processing online orders. Thanks for watching.